It was gorgeous outside the early part of May, and the Narraguagus River was running at optimal condition. I wasn't going to pass on the opportunity for an awesome paddle down my favorite river, so I packed up my gear and I headed out for the first trip of the season. I was dropping off my vehicle and ran into Chris, another gentleman who couldn't pass up on the chance to enjoy today down the river. We both started out at Bennington Lake and then proceeded to spend the next 5 hours in what I could only describe as the closest to perfect as you could get. The sun was out, the water was fresh, and the river majestic.
Yeah, what a fun trip this was.
We can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes down on the riverbank. Sipping old camp with Mr. Cash and Hank. Yeah, we can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes down on the riverbank. Sipping old camp with Mr. Cash and Hank. Making my way to the watering hole, hitting them Swiss and grab you a pole. He said, the fuck is you talking about, Cole? I said, I'm outside and I'm ready to go. Jump in the truck and let's get on the road. I've had a few drinks so I gotta go slow.
But you don't ever go slow.
Oh, right? Fuck that, I got the pedal to the metal. Gotta go and meet the crew with the fire by the meadow. Backwoods, that's a country boy ghetto. Country girl's ass wiggle like jello. We got Cash and Hank on the boombox, kicking it like the lax in the boondocks. Ask around, they can tell you all who's hot. They're screaming outlaws from the rooftops. We can go down.
My tear going down the wall.
Couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes
Boy,
down on the
good boy to
riverbank.
that.
Sipping on camp.
Just better than I fucking.
We can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have
Yeah.
a strong drink.
Sitting back there,
On the riverbank, sipping on camp with Mr. Cash and Hank.
I got my feet in the water, ass in the sand. Mama always taught me to be proud of who I am and that I am. I'm just a northern man. I represent the tall pines in the mosquito land. Catch me sipping old camp on the bank of the Kennebec. Music up loud, doing things that I might regret.
Right
Too
here.
tall, tearing up the
Right about the rim.
wheels.
In the tree.
Type of shit that make you forget
See him?
about the bills. 'Cause
Straight ahead.
whiskey sipping in, mud slanging, outlaws with the struggle Jennings banging on the outlaw shit. It ain't hard to admit that these Northwoods boys are up next on this shit. We can go down to the riverbank, show the rest of y'all how these mainers drink. If you like it loud, don't care what y'all think. This is how it goes down on the riverbank.
We can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes down on the riverbank. Sipping old camp with Mr. Cash and Hank. Yeah, we can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes down on the riverbank. Sipping old camp with Mr. Cash and Hank. Yeah, we can go down to the riverbank, cast a couple lines, have a strong drink. That's how it goes down on the riverbank. Sipping old camp with Mr. Cash and Hank.
So remember, friends, if you wait on perfect, you miss out on a whole lot of awesome.